Indian Premier League 2025 Gujarat Titan full squad: Shubman Gill, Josh Butler, Kumar Kushagra, Anuj Rawat, Glenn Phillips, Sarfin Rutherford, Nishant Sindhu, Mohipal Lamror, Washington Sundar, Arshad Khan, R. Sai Kishore, Jayant Jadov, Karim Jannat, Sai Sudarshan, Shahrukh Khan, Kagiso Rabada, Mohammad Siraj, Rashid Krishna, Manav Sutar, Gerald Coetzee, Ishant Sharma, Rahul Tewatia, Rashid Khan,